Welcome to Tech Time. From fitness tech to job site gadgets, outdoor gear to wearable wonders, we cover it all. If it's cool, innovative, and techy, we're showing it off. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the future, one gadget at a time. Welcome to our roundup of 20 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking and meal prep more fun and efficient. From high-tech tools to quirky innovations, these products are designed to help you save time, boost your kitchen skills, and add a touch of excitement to everyday tasks. Whether you're a home cook, an aspiring chef, or someone who loves kitchen gadgets, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into these awesome kitchen finds. Angry Mama is a clever and fun way to clean your microwave without harsh chemicals. Simply fill her up with water and vinegar, place her in the microwave, and heat for several minutes. The steam that's released softens grease and food particles, making it much easier to wipe down your microwave interior. This easy-to-use cleaner works quickly, and it's a playful, eco-friendly option for maintaining your kitchen appliances. The Chef'n Loose Leaf Plus Herb Stripper is a time-saving tool for removing leaves from herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, and kale. With multiple hole sizes, it accommodates a variety of herbs, allowing you to quickly and efficiently strip leaves without making a mess. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and it's small enough to store easily in your kitchen drawer. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing a feast, this herb stripper makes your prep work faster and easier. The Coravin Timeless 6 Plus Wine Preservation System revolutionizes the way you enjoy wine. By using Coravin's patented needle technology, you can pour a glass of wine without removing the cork, allowing you to preserve the remaining wine in the bottle for weeks, even months. Ideal for wine lovers who like to sample different bottles, it's perfect for those who want to keep their wine fresh without the pressure to finish the whole bottle at once. The Ecolution Popcorn Popper is an innovative and eco-friendly way to make popcorn without using oil. Using hot air instead of oil ensures that you're making a healthier snack, with no added fats or preservatives. The popper is designed with a special lid that allows the popped kernels to fall into the bowl, and it's made from BPA-free microwave-safe materials for ease of use. Whether you're popping for movie night or just a healthy snack, the Ecolution Popcorn Popper makes it quick, easy, and guilt-free. Plus, the popper doubles as a serving bowl, making cleanup easy. If you're looking to enjoy freshly popped popcorn with minimal mess and maximum flavor, this popper is a must-have. The Ember Travel Mug 2 is a smart, high-tech mug designed to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether you like your coffee piping hot or your tea at a specific warmth, the Ember Travel Mug allows you to set and maintain the ideal temperature via the Ember app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. With a sleek, modern design, this mug is perfect for on-the-go professionals, commuters, or anyone who enjoys a perfectly heated drink. Its long battery life ensures that your drink stays at the ideal temperature throughout the day, and the spill-proof lid offers extra convenience. The mug is also easy to clean and features a stainless steel interior to keep your drinks tasting fresh. If you value your morning coffee or tea at the perfect temperature, the Ember Travel Mug 2 is a game changer that's designed for the modern lifestyle. The Flairosol Olivia Advanced Oil Sprayer is a revolutionary tool for those who want to control their oil usage. Unlike traditional aerosol oil sprays, this oil sprayer uses a non-pressurized system to deliver a fine mist of oil, giving you more control with less waste. Perfect for spraying on salads, roasting vegetables, or drizzling over your favorite dishes, the Olivia sprayer ensures a healthier way to add oil without overpouring. It's also easy to refill and clean, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. The 4-limb salt and pepper shakers add a fun and quirky twist to your table setting. Designed to look like animal limbs, these shakers are not only functional, but also a conversation starter. Made from durable ceramic, they feature easy-to-use openings for filling and dispensing salt and pepper. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just seasoning your meal, these shakers make an entertaining addition to your dining experience. They are also an excellent gift idea for food lovers or anyone who enjoys a touch of humor in their kitchen decor. Human electric jar opener is a must-have for anyone who struggles with tight jar lids. Simply place it on top of the jar, press a button, and let the electric opener automatically grip and twist off the lid with minimal effort. It's perfect for people with arthritis, limited hand strength, or anyone who wants a quick and effortless way to open jars. The compact design fits comfortably in any kitchen, making it an essential tool for daily use. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn jar lids. The Inkbird ISV 100W Sous Vide Precision Cooker is the perfect tool for making restaurant-quality meals at home. It allows you to cook food to the perfect temperature, ensuring maximum flavor and tenderness every time. With a temperature range of 32 degrees F to 194 degrees F, 0 degrees C to 90 degrees X, it's perfect for everything from meats to vegetables and even eggs. The unit features an easy-to-read LCD display and adjustable clamp, making it simple to use. It also comes with a quiet, high-efficiency motor and a powerful pump that circulates water for even heat distribution. Whether you're a sous vide novice or a seasoned pro, the Inkbird ISV $100 makes cooking to perfection easier than ever. The Kitchen Mama Can Opener is an innovative automatic can opener that takes the hassle out of opening cans. With its easy-to-use one-button design, it automatically opens cans with smooth edges, eliminating the risk of cuts from traditional manual can openers. This battery-powered opener is perfect for anyone with limited hand strength, such as seniors, or anyone who simply wants a quicker, more efficient way to open cans. It works on all standard-sized cans, and the compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to store in your kitchen drawer. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn can lids, the Kitchen Mama Can Opener is a game-changer that offers convenience, safety, and ease of use. The KitchenAid KQ913 digital scale is a must-have tool for any kitchen. Its high-precision sensors ensure accurate measurements for baking, portion control, or meal prep. The sleek stainless steel design is not only stylish but easy to clean, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The scale features a tare function, so you can weigh ingredients in containers without including their weight. Whether you're measuring flour for baking or controlling your portions for a healthy diet, the KitchenAid KQ913 provides reliable results. The Chef IQ Sense Smart wireless meat thermometer is designed to take the guesswork out of cooking meats. This Bluetooth-enabled thermometer connects to your smartphone, allowing you to monitor your meat's temperature from a distance. You'll receive real-time alerts, so you can relax while your meat cooks to perfection. With preset temperature guidelines for different types of meat and a sleek design, this tool is perfect for grilling, roasting, or slow cooking. The Nostalgia Coca-Cola 2-slot Bun Mini Tongs Hot Dog Toaster adds a fun, retro twist to your kitchen while making hot dog preparation quick and easy. This compact themed toaster is designed to cook both your hot dogs and toast your buns simultaneously, ensuring they're perfectly heated and ready to enjoy in no time. The 2 slots are perfect for standard-sized hot dogs, while the included mini tongs allow for safe, easy serving without the mess. Its vintage Coca-Cola design adds a nostalgic flair to any kitchen or dorm room, making it a playful and functional addition to your cooking tools. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or hosting a mini cookout, this hot dog toaster is a must-have for any fan of classic American comfort food. The original Tumbler rolling knife sharpener offers a hands-free, safe, and efficient way to keep your knives sharp. Unlike traditional sharpening stones or manual sharpeners, the tumbler design allows for a more uniform edge. Simply place your knife into the tumbler, and it will gently roll the blade against the sharpening stones as it spins. This ensures that the entire length of the blade is evenly sharpened, helping to maintain a sharper, more durable edge for longer periods of time. The rolling motion also reduces the risk of accidents, as you don't need to apply pressure or hold the knife at any specific angle. This sharpening tool is perfect for people who want to keep their kitchen knives in top shape without needing advanced knife sharpening skills. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a sharp edge on all your knives, from chef's knives to paring knives, making your cooking experience smoother and more efficient. The Ototo Platypus is a fun silicone spoon rest designed to keep your kitchen clean while adding a whimsical touch. Shaped like a platypus, it can hold spoons, spatulas, and other utensils while you cook. The flexible material is heat-resistant and easy to clean, making it a practical yet playful addition to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking up a storm or simply serving your meal, the Ototo Platypus keeps your countertops free of mess. The Purico Deodorizer is an eco-friendly, natural odor absorber that helps keep your kitchen fresh. Made with activated charcoal, it works by absorbing unwanted smells and excess moisture, which can lead to mold or mildew. Whether it's used in your fridge, pantry, or any other space, Purico keeps your environment smelling clean and fresh without harsh chemicals. It's reusable, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional air fresheners. The Thermo Maven butane cooking torch is perfect for adding a professional touch to your cooking. Whether you're caramelizing sugar on creme brulee, searing meats, or toasting marshmallows, this torch provides precise control over the flame. The adjustable flame allows you to customize the heat to suit different tasks, and the built-in safety lock ensures safe operation. Compact and easy to use, it's an essential tool for culinary enthusiasts who want to elevate their cooking. Keep your coffee, tea, or other hot beverages at the ideal temperature with the Voyage Coffee Mug Warmer. This compact device is designed to gently warm your cup, keeping it at the perfect temperature for hours. It's perfect for use at home, in the office, or even while working from your desk. With a sleek, minimalist design, the Voyage Coffee Mug Warmer fits most mugs and makes sure your drink stays just the way you like it, no matter how busy you are. The Winter ICM 201SB ice cream maker allows you to make delicious homemade ice cream, sorbet, or gelato without the need for pre-freezing. Its built-in compressor makes the process simple and quick. Just pour in your ingredients, turn it on, and wait for the magic to happen. With a 2.1 quart capacity, it's perfect for small gatherings or personal use. The sleek stainless steel design and easy-to-use control panel make this ice cream maker an excellent addition to any kitchen. The Zulay Milk Frother is a compact and powerful tool that lets you create frothy milk for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Whether you're making a hot drink or a cold beverage, the frother creates rich, creamy foam in seconds. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it's portable and easy to use, making it ideal for coffee lovers who enjoy their drinks at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Its lightweight, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and cleanup is a breeze. This frother is perfect for adding a professional touch to your morning routine without the need for bulky espresso machines. Whether you're frothing milk, cream, or non-dairy alternatives, the Zulay Milk Frother delivers perfect foam every time, elevating your coffee experience to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. We hope you found some amazing kitchen gadgets to make your culinary adventures easier and more fun. From high-tech tools to quirky accessories, these products are sure to enhance your cooking experience. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews, tips, and ideas. Leave us a comment below to let us know which item you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.